Hello viewers, I am Ron. Welcome to my channel PSC Exam Prep. Today we are going to discuss 20 GK questions relating to our Indian Constitution. But before getting to it, please do subscribe to my channel. Well, moving on to the first question of the series. The first question is, who described the directive principles of state policy as a novel feature of the Constitution of India? The answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Moving on to the next question. In which part of the Indian Constitution the directive principles are included? The answer is the fourth part of the Constitution. The question is the first country in the world to include directive principles in its constitution. The answer is Spanish Republic. It's the first country to include directive principles in its constitution. Next question. From which country the makers of the Indian Constitution has copied the idea of directive principles of state policy? The answer is Ireland. I repeat, the answer is Ireland. Next question. Who made the comment that the directive principles of state policy expresses Fabian socialism without the word socialism? The answer is Ivor Jennings. I repeat, the answer is Ivor Jennings. Moving on to the next question. Who described directive principles as a check payable by the bank when able only when the resources of the bank permit? The answer is K.T. Shah. I repeat, the answer is K.T. Shah. Next question. The mind and ideals of the framers of the Indian Constitution are reflected in which area of the Indian Constitution? The answer is the directive principles of state policy. I repeat, the answer is the directive principles of state policy. Next question. Which article under directive principles of state policy is related to the prohibition of intoxicating drinks and drugs? The answer is Article 47. I repeat, the answer is Article 47. Next question. Who compared directive principles of state policy to the instrument of instructions in the Government of India Act 1935? The answer is B.R. Ambedkar. I repeat, the answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Right to equal opportunity for justice and free legal aid was added to directive principles through which amendment of the Indian Constitution? The answer is 42nd Amendment. I repeat, the answer is 42nd Amendment. Next question. Which part of the Constitution refers to the responsibility of the state towards international peace and security? The answer is Directive Principles of State Policy. I repeat, the answer is Directive Principles of State Policy. Next question. Name the Asian country other than India to have fundamental duties in its constitution. The answer is Japan. Next question. From which country India adopted the ideas of fundamental duties? The answer is former USSR, that is United Soviet Sovereign Republic. Short form, former USSR. Next question. By which amendment fundamental duties were included in the Constitution? The answer is 42nd Amendment. I repeat, the answer is 42nd Amendment. Fundamental duties were included in the Constitution. Next question. The authority or body competent to determine the conditions of citizenship in India? The answer is the Parliament. I repeat, the answer is the Parliament. Parliament decides the condition of citizenship of India. Next question. From which country India copied the idea of single citizenship? The answer is Britain. I repeat, the answer is Britain. Moving on to the next question. The National Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe came into existence as per dash amendment of the Constitution. The answer is 65th. That is, the National Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe came into existence as per 65th Amendment of the Constitution. Next question. Which amendment of the Constitution makes provisions for a separate National Commission for Scheduled Tribes? The answer is 89th Amendment Act of 2003. I repeat, the answer is 89th Amendment Act of 2003. Moving on to the next question. Who was the Prime Minister of India when the 73rd and 74th Amendments of the Constitution were passed? The answer is P.V. Narasimha Rao. He was the Prime Minister when the 73rd and 74th Amendments of the Constitution were passed. The answer is P.V. Narasimha Rao. The final question of the series: which amendment is related to the restriction of the size of the Council of Ministers to 15% of legislative members? The answer is 91st Amendment. I repeat, the answer is 91st Amendment. That's all. Well, that's all for now. So if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.